Welcome to GreenTreasure at Prof. Mwani.
Because I had taken a pledge when my friend is speaking, I will never speak. But today, because the occasion is such that I will seize this opportunity to be with you and discuss some concluding remarks. It will be a matter of 5 minutes. First of all, as my friend said, that who is an entrepreneur? It's a person who strives for success and takes on risks by developing or by coming up with a venture or a service. That means 2 things are there, success and risk. When I was going through the discussion, being a part of this program, I was just listening, and then in my mind were some of the points which were in your mind also, who can be a successful entrepreneur. I was analyzing one point here, because it's a blend of determination, is it resilience, is it unwavering belief in your vision. An entrepreneur should have such concept, and he should have a passion, and he should have a courage to fulfill his dreams, the dreams which he has set to be a successful entrepreneur. You know, the successful entrepreneur is one who is always see the gaps in the market and who always analyze the emerging trends, and you also see always a new potential. He wants to tap that potential. And you might have seen all my panelists are here keen observers. They are keen observers, they have an eye open because they connect, they create an ecosystem either through social media with like-minded people, with talented people, and they always try to have a collaboration with whom? With like-minded people, with investors, with mentors, and with the person who will be helpful to them. Because they analyze and then they come up with the innovative solutions. That innovative solutions we have seen when Khurasan high-tech food processing founder is discussing in front of you, being a doctorate. But he is not leaving that academics. He is coming with biopesticides, integrated pest management. At the same time, he is giving you a garlic steak, this pickle also. And he knows how to eliminate the bad things from it and to be with the eco-friendly products. See, a successful entrepreneur is one who always know that business landscape is always revolving and evolving. And when it's evolving, he will be successful only when he will calibrate his strategies to the changing setup so that he will remain.
Thank you so much for watching this presentation. Feel free to watch other videos at YouTube channel GreenTreasure. Please comment, like, follow, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.